Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing well and may have revised the previously learned topics. So now, our today's topic is Conservation of Nature and Famous Animal Reserves in India. Introduction. Conservation of nature refers to the careful management of natural resources such as forests, water, soil, and wildlife to ensure they are preserved for future generations. With growing human activities like deforestation, industrialization, and urbanization, nature's balance is under threat. Therefore, conservation efforts are crucial to protect the environment and maintain ecological harmony. Conservation of nature. 1. Importance of conservation. Preservation of biodiversity. Every species, no matter how small, plays a critical role in the ecosystem. Conserving nature ensures that all species, including endangered ones, survive and contribute to ecological balance. Climate change mitigation. Forests and oceans act as carbon sinks, absorbing greenhouse gases. By protecting these resources, we can slow down global warming. Sustaining livelihoods. Natural resources like forests, rivers, and minerals provide food, water, and shelter for billions of people. Conserving these resources ensures their availability for future generations. Improving quality of life. A healthy environment provides clean air, water, and recreational spaces, which are essential for human well-being. 2. Methods of conservation. Afforestation and reforestation. Planting new trees and restoring degraded forests to enhance biodiversity and combat climate change. Wildlife protection. Establishing sanctuaries, national parks, and biosphere reserves to provide safe habitats for animals. Sustainable resource use. Encouraging practices like rainwater harvesting, soil conservation, and responsible fishing to prevent resource depletion. Pollution control. Reducing industrial and household waste to protect air, water, and soil quality. Community participation. Educating people about the importance of conservation and involving them in sustainable practices. Famous animal reserves in India. India is home to diverse ecosystems, making it a heaven for various species. The country has many national parks and wildlife sanctuaries dedicated to the conservation of its unique flora and fauna. 1. Jim Corbett National Park, Uttarakhand. Specialty: India's first national park, established in 1936. Famous for Bengal tigers. Highlight: a key project tiger reserve, it boasts dense forests, rivers, and grasslands. 2. Ranthambore National Park, Rajasthan. Specialty: known for its historic ruins and picturesque landscapes. Famous for Royal Bengal tigers. Highlight: tigers are often spotted in the wild during safaris. 3. Kaziranga National Park, Assam. Specialty: a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a wetland of international importance. Famous for one-horned rhinoceros. Highlight: hosts significant populations of elephants, wild buffalo, and swamp deer. 4. Gir National Park, Gujarat. Specialty: the only natural habitat of Asiatic lions in the world. Famous for Asiatic lions. Highlight: a mix of dry deciduous forests and grasslands, perfect for lion conservation. 5. Sundarbans National Park, West Bengal. Specialty: the world's largest mangrove forest and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Famous for Bengal tigers, known as man-eating tigers due to their interactions with humans. Highlight: home to the unique saltwater ecosystem and diverse wildlife. 6. Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary, Kerala. Specialty: a picturesque sanctuary surrounding Periyar Lake. Famous for elephants and exotic bird species. Highlight: offers boat safaris and trekking experiences. 7. Bandipur National Park, Karnataka. Specialty, part of the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. Famous for tigers and elephants. Highlight, a biodiversity hotspot with a rich variety of flora and fauna. 8. Kanha National Park, Madhya Pradesh. Specialty, the inspiration for Rudyard Kipling's The Jungle Book. Famous for Barsingha, swamp deer, often referred to as the jewel of Kanha. Highlight, dense forests and meadows offering stunning landscapes. 9. Manas National Park, Assam. Specialty, a UNESCO Natural World Heritage Site and Biosphere Reserve. Famous for rare species like the golden langur and red panda. Highlight, located along the Manas River, providing a serene environment. 10. Nagarhole National Park, Karnataka. Specialty, known for its lush greenery and riverine ecosystems. Famous for leopards, tigers, and elephants. Highlight, part of the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. Major conservation projects in India. Project Tiger, 1973, aimed at tiger conservation, focusing on habitat restoration and anti-poaching measures. Project Elephant, 1992, ensures the survival of elephants and their migratory routes. Crocodile Conservation Project, 1975, focused on the conservation of endangered crocodile species. Wildlife Protection Act, 1972, provides a legal framework for the protection of wildlife and their habitats. Conclusion. Conservation of nature is not just the government's responsibility, it requires collective efforts from individuals, communities, and organizations. By visiting national parks and supporting ecotourism, you contribute to wildlife conservation. Let's preserve India's incredible biodiversity and pass it on to future generations. Remember, every small step counts. Thanks for watching.